5 mistakes to avoid when starting a credit repair business. In this episode, I'll help you avoid the expensive, time-consuming pitfalls most beginners fall into. Stay till the end to learn a bonus tip on how to set up your business for success. Mistake number 1, not setting up your business properly. One of the biggest mistakes is launching without an official legal structure like an LLC or corporation. This puts your personal assets at risk, limits your ability to build business credit, and makes it harder to win client trust. Take the time to register your business properly. It's a foundational step that protects you and opens more doors. Mistake number 2, no strategy to get clients. Many new business owners focus on setting up a website, but forget to create a real plan for getting clients. Without a steady flow of leads, your business can't grow. Building relationships, setting up referral partnerships, and targeting the right audience are critical from the start. Mistake number 3, doing everything manually. If you're writing every dispute letter by hand, tracking client progress in spreadsheets, and manually following up, you'll burn out fast. Systems and automation aren't optional. They're the secret to scaling efficiently. Use tools that save you time so you can focus on serving your clients and growing your business. Mistake number 4, underpricing your services. Many beginners think charging low fees will help them attract more clients, but it often attracts the wrong ones. Clients who shop only on price usually cause the most problems and value your service the least. Price yourself fairly. Focus on delivering quality and value, not on being the cheapest. Mistake number 5, ignoring credit repair laws. The credit repair industry is highly regulated. If you don't understand laws like CROA, FCRA, and TILA, you could put yourself and your clients at risk. You don't have to become a lawyer, but you need to know the basics. What you can and can't promise, how to structure your contracts, and what disclosures you must provide. I'll drop a link in the description for a free credit repair law book to help you get started. Quick recap. The 5 mistakes to avoid when starting your credit repair business are: 1. Not setting up your business legally. 2. No client acquisition strategy. 3. Doing everything manually. 4. Underpricing your services. 5. Ignoring the legal side of credit repair. Avoiding these doesn't just protect your business, it helps you grow smarter and faster. Final tip: set yourself up for success. Starting a credit repair business can be overwhelming, but you don't have to figure everything out alone. If you want a shortcut to getting the right systems, lead generation tools, automation, and compliance support, check out Credit Money Machine. It's an all-in-one platform for new and growing credit repair businesses. It automates the process by detecting errors, creating factual discrepancy tables, and creating all dispute letters you need, including personal information letters, freeze letters, Metro 2 letters, and collection validation letters. Plus, it assigns disputes, reasons, and types, all in just one click in 15 seconds. They're offering a free 30-day trial, so it's a great way to see if it fits you. You can sign up at www.creditmoneymachine.com/trial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.